The 2022 edition of the National Construction Code comes with important changes to its structure and format. Over the years, the NCC has used several different systems for numbering its sections, parts, specifications and clauses. This was to make a clear distinction between the NCC's different volumes and between different content types within each volume. While this has worked in the past, to continue enhancing the NCC as a future-focused digital product, it must have a consistent referencing system across the entire code. To do this, the ABCB undertook significant research and developed a new referencing system for NCC 2022, called SPTC. Section, Part, Type, Clause. Importantly, SPTC keeps as much of the current referencing system as possible, but more closely reflects the actual structure of the code. So what's changing? We've kept the section, part and clause referencing system from volumes 1 and 3. The type of clause will simply be moved to a more logical position within the clause reference. Often this simply replaces the decimal point within the current referencing system. Volume 2, however, currently has a completely different referencing system to volumes 1 and 3. The simplest way to create the much needed consistency across all volumes is to align Volume 2's referencing system with that of volumes 1 and 3. First, a small adjustment will be made to Volume 1. Its current Section H, Special Use Buildings, will be moved to Section I, which is currently empty, having been removed in NCC 2014. This means Volume 2 can then become Section H. This allows for a handy way to remember Volume 2's focus. Section H of NCC 2022 is all about housing. And to help you transition over to SPTC, the 2022 edition of the code will include the current code's reference alongside the new SPTC reference, so you can be sure you're in the right spot. We've created a whole range of resources to support you through the changes to NCC 2022's structure and format. Just head to abcb.gov.au/NCC-usability.